This is the Landoll 930 traveling tail trailer. Engineered for strength, versatility, and maximum payload efficiency. With its hydraulic tail and integrated upper deck ramp, the entire 51-foot length of this trailer can be fully utilized for equipment and machinery. It measures 51 feet long and 102 inches wide, with a 35-ton capacity. That's 70,000 pounds total, with a 50,000-pound deck rating over 10 feet. Empty weight is about 19,250 pounds. The main deck plus the tail is 41 feet 3 inches long, and the 15-foot hydraulic traveling tail can lift up to 24,000 pounds and has an 11-degree load angle, perfect for low-clearance equipment. Ground clearance is 20 inches, loaded deck height 38 inches. Retractable side steps slide out smoothly from the frame, providing safe footing when climbing onto the trailer. Up front, the 6-foot air-operated ramp provides smooth access to the upper deck. And this is what makes the entire trailer length usable for payload. 2 top-opening toolboxes offer extra storage. A 12,000-pound winch is mounted up top, complete with guard and bolt-on D-rings. The control panel is LED lighted, and the wireless remote allows you to operate tilt, travel, and the winch. This trailer rides on air ride suspension with tandem axles rated at 22,500 pounds each. Tires are 17.5 double coin with polished aluminum outer wheels. An airway scale is included for easy load monitoring. Midco Sales is the authorized Landoll dealer in Arizona. For full specs and availability, visit midcosales.com. And don't forget to subscribe for updates on new trailers and trucks as they arrive.